G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Got the 220mm titanium tent stakes from SilverAnt Outdoors. Now, I like them, just looking at them. It's not your normal straight ones, you've got all these little knurly bits, so they look real good, which is a bonus. And they've got 3 points, 1, 2, 3, going all the way up, so they're going to be nice and strong. And I got these because the ground actually where I am now, for the normal size tent pegs, your 6-inch ones, it can crumble a bit and they can pop out, so especially if you've got any windy conditions. And the further south we go from here, the ground gets softer, so yeah, on the windy days these are going to be needed. So I've replaced these small 6-inch ones with these 8-inch ones, the 220mm. Now the main tent they're going to be for is a 3FUR Gear Tie Hang 2 Max, which is a tunnel tent made for bad conditions. And you'll see in a week or two I've got the second set of poles, which are an upgrade to turn that tent into a extreme weather tent. So that's why I got these. They're going to give me better grip in the ground the further south I go, so there's less chance of them getting pulled out with the wind in the bad weather. And I'll also use these for my other tents because they'll work just the same in hard ground as they will in the soft ground. So we'll see what the weather is, what conditions the ground is, where I'm going, and that will depend whether I get to take these ones or the smaller. Now I'll get these put up with the tie hang and we'll see how strong they are. Now I chose this pitch because I've used this before and I know it's not the most easy. Some parts of the ground are soft, some parts of the ground are hard. So I just want to see how these actually go. You can either buy these in singles or in packs of 6. So if you want 1, 2, 3, you can do that. Or you can buy them in packs of 6. The pack of 6 comes in, I class as a bit of a padded pouch, which is quite nice. I've just transferred it into a more lightweight one. And for this tent, it needs 18 tent stakes for the bad weather. So I bought 3 sets. So let's get it all set up and we'll have a look and see how it goes. And I found my bush hammer to knock them in with. All I've got is 4 pegs in at the moment on the main corners, and as it is, it's nice and stable. I don't think it'll go far in some normal winds. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and peg out the guy lines. take a quick look around, see how they went. And this ground was soft in some places. Here was a bit sandy, but that went in nice and deep, holding up really good, nice and firm. And this one, the ground was a bit stiff and hard. It gave it a good pounding. You can see the top here. I don't know if you can tell how hard I hit it, but that went in there, and that's again nice and steady. The one just over from that one, again this was a bit like crumbly ground, but it's gone in there, holding nice and tight. I can actually pull down even tighter. This one here was the hardest one, so you see that more sticking out, but that's holding really good. Now here the ground was even harder, but again, yeah, it's got good grip. This one was average one, a bit soft at the top and then went into hard at the bottom, but still holding really good. Now I haven't done these ones yet because they're not really needed at the moment because we don't have the real bad winds. So yeah, the actual pegs themselves do a good job. I said fairly lightweight, so I'll put the weight up on the screen somewhere. So hope you've enjoyed the video and it's been informative about these pegs, whether they're worth it or not. I think so, particularly for this tent or any tent where you're going into the softer ground. It's not going to be good for the on the beach sort of thing. Well, it might help, but if it's going to be on the beach and windy or in the snow, you're going to have to get some good beach sand pegs or some good snow pegs. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have and you're not a subscriber, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell next to it and select all so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much, and hit that like button, the thumbs up.